How to fix "this action was blocked" on Instagram. Are you seeing the frustrating "this action was blocked" error on Instagram? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it quickly. Stay tuned. Instagram blocks actions like liking, commenting, following, or sending DMs when it detects unusual activity. This could be due to liking or commenting too fast, following or unfollowing too many accounts at once, using third-party apps or automation tools, getting reported by other users. Now, let's move on to the solutions. Sometimes, this is just a temporary block. Wait for a day or two, and the restriction will be lifted automatically. If you're using bots or automation tools, stop immediately. These apps violate Instagram's rules and can lead to permanent bans. Changing your password can refresh your account and remove any security issues. Go to Instagram settings, tap on Help, then Report a problem. Describe the issue and request Instagram to unblock your actions. Instagram blocked your IP address. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. To prevent future blocks, avoid excessive liking, following, or commenting. Keep your activity natural. That's it. Try these steps, and your Instagram should be back to normal soon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.